What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel. My name is Dominick and I'd like to give you a brief introduction of what you can find and what you can expect here on my channel. So I'm 25 years old and I'm a software engineer, and on my channel I can guarantee you that you're going to see me breaking software, you're going to see me breaking my Homelab, you're going to see me breaking everything. And we're also going to be showing you all the attempts on fixing those broken items. So whether that's networking, Homelab, software that I've built, anything of the like, you're going to see the entire process raw, maybe unedited, we shall see, but you will see the full picture. I feel like a lot of YouTubers nowadays like to go the extra mile by polishing their videos and striving for perfection. And if that's something that you're looking for, this channel is not going to be for you. This is going to show you the beginning all the way to the end on how we diagnose issues, how we solve them, and how we got there in the first place. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then I ask that you stick around and maybe hit the subscribe button. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to embarking on this journey with you. It's going to be a long one, so buckle up. Peace out.